Hello guys! Good morning! It's Anna again and welcome back to another travel show. So today we are here in People's Park, Tagaytay. So it's 8:30 a.m. and it's 26 degrees. As you can see behind me, it's still foggy. So what we're gonna do is to explore the People's Park. Samahan niyo po ako and they have entrance fee, so it's 30 pesos per head. So yan guys, 30 pesos of a ticket. Meron silang mga jeepneys that can take you uphill kung ayaw mo maglakad from the entrance going there. Ano siya, 50 pesos per head. Ang gagawin namin, maglalakad kami kasi matitibay pa yung mga buto namin. Ang ganda ng surrounding. So, this place is actually very cold. It's very cold, but it's not as cold as Baguio. Pero, maganda dito. It's normal to have this, to have a fog every morning, especially when it's rainy season. The fog here at the top is somehow thick. So as you can see, meron sila mga cottages dito. Like, siguro pag gusto mo nyo tumambay, yan, magpahangin, snacks. Kasi may tindahan sila dyan. Meron din silang kainan dito, yan. Kain tayo dyan mamaya. Pwede ka picture yan. Mga souvenir shop to. $180, no? Yes. Pwedeng tawad. So, ayun guys, as you can see, we have a souvenir shops here. So, you can buy, yun, mga t-shirts, mga cups, yung mga may na Tagaytay. Mura dito. Kabili nga ako, madami. Aakyat na tayo dito sa pinakataas. Hi guys, so here you can actually have a picture taking for 30 pesos. So behind me is a lake, pero ngayon hindi mo siya makikita dahil zero visibility siya. Pag nawala to, makikita mo. Mas magandang view. Pero as of now, ini-enjoy lang naman yung wind and the fog. Ang sabi, this place is actually pinagawa during Marcos era para sana sa visitation ni dating presidente ng Amerika na si Ronald Reagan. Pero hindi natuloy dito. Hindi siya tinapos, pero structured na siya. Pero hindi lang siya tinapos. Pero ngayon, hanapan nila ng way paano tong lugar na to ma-discover. Kakaalis lang ng fog. Ay, sobrang ganda. Ganito, may gazebo ka dito, tas kape-kape ka lang. guys, we will just have a quick breakfast dahil wala pa kaming kain. So, this is what I got. Yan. Tapsilog. 100 pesos. Mura na. Masarap pa. So yan, tapos na tayo dito sa ating escapade dito sa People's Park, Tagaytay. Merong 360 view dito. You can see the whole Tagaytay. So beautiful. So yan, nag-wear off na yung ano niya, yung fog niya, unti-unti. If you come here, walang ano dito, means of transportation. You have to, either you have a motorcycle or a car. Siyempre, if you come here, bring your family or your lover. It's actually very romantic here. And they have restaurants here and may eatery sila dito. If you are on budget, they have here the tapa place. So it's range from 100 to 120 pesos. And they also have a restaurant here, yung sa main building niya, sa taas, which you have a good view. And hindi siya ganun kalakihan, but it's not a fancy restaurant. And they have souvenir shops where you can buy hats, sweaters, t-shirts, kung ano-ano pa man yan, mga souvenirs. And it's not expensive. Kung mahilig kayong mag-out of town and mahilig kayo ng mga magagandang view, like especially nature, pwede kayo pumunta dito. Enjoy! Bring your family. Experience the fog, so it's best if you come here early in the morning, especially when it's rainy season. So for me, I recommend you to come to this place. We are done here, so for the next video, we will be going to Picnic Grove and experience, tour the place. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for you to be updated for more upcoming videos. See you again for the next video. Doon ka!
Isa pa, ma'am?
Saluin!
Natawag ka dyan dito.
Uy, ma! Masakit yan! Sa papa mo ng taho. Oh, sige na. Eh, okay na. Sige na. Yan. Welcome! Meow! 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 Ah, friendly yan. Meow. You see? Ay, nako. Dinumihan mo yung pantalon ko, darling, oh. Nag-iwang ka ng balahibong pusa. Oh, Hoy, Ming Ming. Pinakataas, ayan. Para siyang tower. May tower. Ay! Pwede mo rin siya patakbuhin for free. Going there.
Si Sadako.
Lalabas dito si Sadako pagkano. Pag high blood ka, hindi. Pag anemic ka, ito kainin mo, pampadagdag ng dugo yan. Pero, pag may problema ka sa pera, huwag itong kainin mo. Sobrang high blood na yun. Oh, may kamating kahoy, may gabi, ayan. Ang ganda naman dito. Marami ditong yan, gulay. Gusto kong gulay na yan. Healthy. Ayan guys, may nakita tayong tindahan. Mamaya na tayo magtrabaho. Ay darling, may kape kayo? May cup na yon. Kape na talaga. Kaping, hoy, ano yan? Hala. Nahulog. Hala.
Ano pong coffee lang?
Nahulog. Lug. Ano yan? So, since lamig, wala pa kaming agahan kasi maaga kaming umalis from Manila. Yan, magkakape muna tayo. Kuya, ay ate. Ay, kape for everyone. You want coffee? Coffee. Coffee.